हमारे आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
हम धूमताना धिमताना करने आए थे, पर हमें रंगोली
Hello and very good morning, everybody. Right now, I'm in the college, in the corridors, and I'm heading to the seminar hall. Let me tell you the agenda of the day. Today, 30th of May 2024, is being celebrated as Hindi Patrikarita Divas. Well, it's not being commenced on this year. It has been celebrated for many years now. And today I came to know about this because being a journalism student, it is a must to know all those important days in the history. So let me take you straight to the seminar hall and show you some of the decoration. So this is what a BA student of journalism is doing right now. Along with my friend, I'm having to go to the canteen to bring a tray in which we put all the reports that we are going to distribute to all those senior journalists which are going to come today. So let's go to the canteen because my department does not have a tray as such. This, by the way, is a part of event management, which is a major part of journalism. You must learn how to manage an event as a journalism student. So that's the campus of my college, guys. I wish I could give you a whole tour of it, but one day I will for sure. But as of now, let's move to the canteen quickly. We don't have much time. There goes the canteen. Even they did not have tray to give it to us, so we had to ultimately decide to take these plates to the department because we don't have any other option. We just cannot give the awards in hand. Anyway, something is better than nothing.
अतुल सर ने क्या कहा?
हाँ, एक अतुल सर से चॉकलेट की बाउल लेने थे. Actually, this is how you do the arrangements. When you are conducting an event, you have nothing as of your own. You simply go to people and borrow their stuffs, and you lead your own event. So that's a tip, guys. That's a low budget tip. एडमिन ब्लॉक के सामने हमें मिलने चाहिए गार्ड अंकल, जो कि हमें देंगे अतुल सर से बाउल. वेयर इज गार्ड अंकल? अब यहाँ पे कोई गाड़ी नहीं है. हमें गार्ड अंकल से चाहिए था एक बाउल जिसमें हम चॉकलेट्स रखेंगे. अब मैं गार्ड को कहाँ ढूंढूं? चॉकलेट पता नहीं. Thankfully we got the bowls as well. I was thinking वही तो मुझे लगा कि चॉकलेट होगा इसके अंदर, जैसे सर ने हमें कहा कि चॉकलेट बाउल मिलने वाला है.
कटोरी है वो, बाउल.
Exactly. सर को बोलियो कि सर आपने कटोरी थमा दिया. So you guys are most welcome to the seminar hall where this entire function is going to take place. Welcome. ये लो सर, हम आपके लिए कटोरी और बाउल लेकर आ गए. Here goes the students of my class. You guys will get to watch the vlog. Huh? The right hand side of girl spends most of her time in the college, in the toilet of the college, and the girl on the left hand side drives quickly nice. In the morning she was coming by her scooty and I got afraid. She rides really nice. So let's ask about their beautiful intro. Let's see how do they introduce themselves.
मेरा नाम तृप्ति है और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं अभी हमारे जो मेरे सहपाठी हैं इवेंट के बारे में, अब कैमरा जरा उधर को पैन कर, जिसे आप देख सकते हैं जिज्ञासा पत्रकारिता सम्मान एक तरीके से एक आयोजन है जिसमें बहुत सारे जर्नलिस्ट आने वाले हैं. मे भी हमें भी कुछ बोलने का मौका मिले. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड.
तो पूछिए, क्वेश्चन पूछिए पहले साहिल. मेरा नाम तो प्राची चौहान है, जैसे कि आप जानते ही हैं. मैं साहिल की क्लासमेट हूँ. बाकी साहिल से क्वेश्चन जो पूछेंगे उसका जवाब हम देंगे.
तो आज आप इस पत्रकारिता दिवस के बारे में क्या जानते हैं और कितने एक्साइटेड हो आप?
मैं जानती तो कुछ नहीं थी, बस यहाँ पे आके हमें जाना है क्योंकि हमारी डीन मैम ने बोला था सारे बच्चों को आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं नहीं आऊँगी तो कितने मज़े है, बट मैम ने मैसेज भेज दिया था जिसकी वजह से सभी बच्चों को आना पड़ा. और साहिल भी नहीं आना चाहता था वैसे तो, मगर साहिल को भी ज़बरदस्ती आना पड़ा.
Thank you so much for eating footage in my video. जी sir? Look at these beautiful girls of my class. Very hard working people. They come late but still contribute to the work. When all the preparation was done, then Kalash entered. Only in the name of contributing. But anyway, I'm glad that they are doing something. तो guys, आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
हम धूमताना धिमताना करने आए थे पर हमें रंगोली
कलश, आपके लेट आने का राज क्या है?
लेट आने का राज ये कि मैं आने नहीं चाहती थी, मुझे इसने कॉल करके बताया कि तुम्हें ही बुलाया गया है। सुपर पावर।
Exactly. So here, as you can see, they are making rangoli on both the sides of the stage. Let me show you the ready-made rangoli over here. It looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Well, there goes the podium, and let me show you the entire view of this. There goes several other rewards that are going to be given away to all those journalists who are going to come to our event. Check this out. I wish to receive one of these. I can steal, but I won't, because my room doesn't have space for all these rewards. I have many of these. Look at these artificial plant. No, artificial plants nahi hai. And these are pizza boxes for these girls who are making rangolis. I'm going to give them away. And there goes my rice teacher holding 2 phones in the hand. Each cost 50,000. Oh, sorry guys, there's a minor correction. 70,000. Here goes all the seated senior guests. Here I'm giving it a voiceover to this clip because at that time I couldn't record because of a lot of background noise. Here I found this little kid who seemed very cute, and I did not know who this person was by then until I came across during lunch that he turned out to be the son of my dean of the department. Well, thankfully I didn't talk much to him, otherwise he would have filed a complaint. There you can see our senior journalists have been seated along with our VC of the college in the middle. Here it's me holding the camera, trying to make the best use of this time. I don't really prefer listening to people by being seated in a seat, and it just feels like a waste of time. So I'm simply very fond of clicking pictures and doing photography, and I love that. So this video is being recorded for a purpose to make all of those people jealous who haven't attended today's event. Look at this yum food. We have quite a good variety of food. So shame on you guys who haven't joined the meeting today. भाई ये तीसरा प्लेट चल रहा है इसका, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं.
नहीं, तीसरा नहीं, चौथा भाई.
But food is very nice. Huh?